Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Is this a Range Rover, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
All right. Still learning vehicles. Nice. Oh, your amps in the back behind it. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm still running the stock unit in here. So.
Okay, so stock head unit receiver on a Scar 2K?
Yeah, Scar 2K, and then I got a 1000 running the highest.
Yeah, 1 ohm. What do you wire? 1 ohm or okay. What sub was that? Scar ZVX or the XV?
That's the EVL.
EVL. All right. EVL 18. All right. What is it tuned to?
34.
34. All right. It's really punchy.
Yeah.
Like you can tell it's punchy. So it's tuned a little higher. Have you mated it just for fun or?
Nah, I ain't played with it.
Just having fun? Just your daily driver?
Yeah, that and I'm running a audio control, the LC2i.
Okay, yeah.
And that's part of why it's so fun.
Got it. All right. Yeah, it sounds good, dude. It's clean. Yeah, for sure.
Making woofers slap and rookies tap. It's DJ Rusticles.
Thanks for showing me, man. I appreciate it. Nothing wrong with just a little bit of, you know, bass in there. It doesn't have to be extremely loud.
Yes, I had a Dodge Dakota with a blow through.
Really?
I was doing like a 151 with it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I had to get something more practical for the family.
That's right. There you go. Yeah, I understand. All right. Thanks, man. What was your name?
Yeah, brother. Kevin.
Kevin.
Feet.
Jacob. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.